Hello, my dear students. Welcome back from holidays. And once again, here is Preeti Gupta, your English teacher from English faculty at Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Hope you all are well and must have completed the notebook work of English, as I have already sent the compiled PDF of it before holidays. So today we are going to read lesson 4, that is possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives of your English grammar book, and the video of this topic was posted previously on YouTube. So let us quickly revise it. In this video we are going to study about possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. What is the meaning of the word possession? Something that is owned or possessed by someone is known as possession. So what is a possessive adjective? A possessive adjective is a word that modifies a noun by talking about its possession. Note, a possessive adjective is always followed by a noun. Let us understand with example. Here it is written, I love my father. The word my is possessive adjective, which suggests that the noun father belongs to the speaker of the sentence. Next example, the word your is a possessive adjective and it suggests that the house belonging to the listener is beautiful. Now, what is a possessive pronoun? Let us understand. A possessive pronoun is a pronoun that is used to indicate possession or ownership. Now, let us understand it with example. Here you can see it is written, Sarah had lost her lunch box. Now, what is noun here? Lunch box is noun. Now, I have already told you that possessive adjective is followed by a noun. So, now this lunch box belongs to whom? Sarah had lost her lunch box. So, lunch box belongs to her. That is why her is possessive adjective. Now, here you can see, could this be hers? Now, what is hers here? Hers is possessive pronoun. Now, have a look on next example. Your handwriting is better than mine. Now, what is noun here? Handwriting is noun. Now, whose handwriting? Your. So, what is your? Your is possessive adjective. And what is mine? Mine is possessive pronoun. Next example. Our garden is bigger than theirs. Now, what is noun here? Garden is noun. Whose garden? Our garden. So, what is our? Our is possessive adjective. And to whom it belongs? Bigger than theirs. So what is theirs? Theirs is possessive pronoun. Now here are few exercises from your textbook. Let us go through them. Here in exercise 1 it is saying, underline the possessive pronouns and circle the possessive adjectives in these sentences. Now what you are going to do? I will send the images through PDF and you are going to solve this exercise in your notebook. Those who have got the kit, they will solve in their book. Otherwise, rest will note down the exercise in their notebook. So here, let's see the sentence. It is written, the fan in our bedroom is not working properly. Our is possessive adjective. And why so? Because it is followed by a noun and it is showing the possession. So this way you are going to solve this exercise. Now in exercise 2 it is saying, rewrite these sentences using possessive pronouns. Now here you had to write down the possessive pronouns of the sentences.